Why does your scanner show the P0015 engine code? What does it mean? P0015 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position B timing over, retarded, bank 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM is detecting that the exhaust camshaft on the first bank of cylinders is not rotating in sync with the crankshaft and is positioned too far advanced, retarded. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Camshaft timing issues, oil-related problems, electrical issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.